Hi, Karen. I'm hiding in my bedroom and hope I can get this done before the kids know that I've escaped. But the map folding is not an exact science. It's more just to give them the line so that they can make the world in proportion. So I'm sure I've told some of the kids that if they can find a better or more accurate way, then they're welcome to figure it out. This is Alyssa's practice map last year. The map itself isn't completely accurate, but I think the lines are pretty good. And so you can kind of see here that the equator is right here. So it's not going to be completely, it's not in the center of the paper. And what I did was I actually measured. I have my measurements over here. And from the bottom of the paper, if you measure about 4 1/4 inches from the bottom, like I just used the ruler, and from here to the equator is about 4 1/4 inches. And from the equator, the Tropic of Cancer is about 1 inch above it, and the Tropic of Capricorn is about 1 inch below. And also measuring from the equator, the Arctic Circle up here is, let me see, about 3 3/4 of an inch up, or 3 3/4 inches up above the equator. The prime meridian, which is right here, is about 6 1/2 inches, measuring from the side where your western hemisphere is going to be. So again, not an exact science, but if that, hopefully that will help. And yeah, that's it. So all right, I'll see you Thursday.